Hello, friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. My name is Brad, and today we're talking all about pre-registration, how you upload your vaccination proof or your COVID-19 negative test for your Disney cruise in preparation for going on. So if you want kind of a tutorial on how to do that, how to access and use the Safe Portal Passage, stick around and we'll help you. So like I just said, today we are going to be talking all about how to use the Safe Portal Passage that is now required basically of anyone going on a Disney cruise so that you can upload your proof of vaccination, proof of a negative COVID test before you go on your cruise. But before we get into any of that, just want to welcome you to our channel. My name is Brad. My wife, Jamie Thomas, is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She's usually the host of this show. Our channel's all about bringing you tips, tricks, reviews that'll help you have the most magical Disney vacation ever. If Disney videos, Disney travel tips and tricks are what you're all about, take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel, and let's get into this. So today I am just going to walk you through how to sign up for, register for, and really upload documents to the new Safe Portal Passage that Disney is using for anyone who is going on a cruise with them. You really need to do this. So let's do this together. So the first thing you are going to want to do is just search Disney Cruise Know Before You Go. Once you find that and you pull it up, go ahead and click on that site. Obviously. Scroll on down. There's a lot of really useful information here. Your pre-cruise checklist before leaving home. Information that is good for Disney cruises and specifically cruising, amidst everything that's gone on and going on with COVID. But once you get down to this kind of blue belt here on the website, there is this portion letting you know about the Safe Passage website that is required for guests 18 and older. You click on that. Once you get to this next page, the Safe Portal Pass access, you register a new guest. So for this, I just enter in, or you would enter in your reservation number, put in your name, your date of birth. It locates you really, really quickly as long as you have your reservation. There's a bunch of terms of service that you are supposed to read through. Put your email address in twice just to verify and make sure it's easy. At this point, an access code will be sent to your email address. So once you're in your email, you will find a quick authentication code. You simply take that code, copy it, use it to get into your account. Give yourself a password. I have LastPass. It's telling me one they want me to use. I'm going to use a different one that I will remember. Give consent. Double check your information. There is a lot of accepting of stuff. And then you are here to finish off your information. So again, just enter it all. Now you're in the Safe Portal Passage website, and it is here where you can upload those necessary documents. And if you're wanting to upload either a negative PCR test or you are wanting to upload proof of vaccination, you just go to the pre-sale screening, click on that, head on down. I'm going to be uploading my vaccination stuff. Upload proof of vaccinations. Select the guest, Brad Thomas, vaccination. Put your type in. Put your dates of your vaccination when you got it. Pretty easy. You upload the record right here on the side. Again, really, really easy. It's uploaded. I can see it there. I can see my name. That's the right document. And you click save. You can already see my wife's has been cleared and mine is now pending. And there you have it. So that's it. That's how you use the Safe Portal Passage to upload your documents as you're preparing for your Disney cruise. Jamie was kind of last minute invited to go on this cruise. We're going to take lots of documentation of what it's like to cruise right now. So be watching for that in the next couple of weeks here as Jamie and I are leaving very, very soon. We want to document our trip, let you know what it's like to cruise amidst just the different regulations, and we're excited to share that with you. Again, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As I stated before, my wife is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She helps plan and book every part of your trip. Really just becomes your personal concierge for your next Disney vacation, whether it's Disney World, Disneyland, or a Disney cruise. Best of all, when you book through her, her services are completely free, and if you're booking a cruise, she actually offers onboard credit. That's like free money in your pocket. So if you want to contact her about your next Disney vacation, you can email her at jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can go to her website, clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. We hope this helped as you're looking forward to your next Disney cruise, and we will see you with our next video. Bye.